Are you ready to learn about a game-changing strategy that can turn your finances around in just 5 minutes? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of the rapid profit machine and explore how you can start seeing results quickly. Why it's gaining so much attention in the financial world. This system is designed to help individuals like you generate income rapidly through strategic investments and calculated risks. The first step to setting up your own rapid profit machine is to assess your current financial situation. Take a deep dive into your expenses, income, and savings to determine how much capital you can allocate towards this strategy. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial standing, it's time to identify potential investment opportunities. Look for high-growth industries or emerging markets that show promising returns in a short amount of time. With your investments in place, it's crucial to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly to maximize profits. Stay informed about market trends, economic developments, and industry news to make informed decisions. As you continue to fine-tune your rapid profit machine, don't forget to diversify your investments to spread out risk and increase potential gains. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets to build a resilient portfolio. Remember, the key to success with the rapid profit machine is patience, discipline, and a willingness to adapt to changing market conditions. Keep refining your strategy, stay informed, and always be prepared to seize new opportunities. And there you have it, folks. The rapid profit machine in just 5 minutes. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you're ready to start building your own rapid profit machine today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.